Hello there. In this video, I'm excited to guide you on how to set up a no-reply email in Google Workspace. A process that's quick and easy, taking just about 5 minutes. Setting up a no-reply email address is an essential task for organizations aiming to send automated notifications while keeping their inboxes free from unnecessary replies. This guide will walk you through every step, ensuring a smooth setup for your no-reply email address in Google Workspace. Let's get started by navigating to Google Workspace. It's important to make sure you're logged in with your business email account to have the necessary administrative permissions, as these settings require a specific level of access. Once you've logged in correctly, head over to the Admin Console. You can find it by looking for the grid-like icon on the top right corner of your screen, which allows you to access various Google services linked to your account. Click on this icon and then select the Admin Console. Step 1. Create a group instead of a user. First, log into your Google Workspace Admin Console. Navigate to Directory, Groups. Click on Create Group and fill in the details. Group name, no reply. Group email, no reply at pmntechfix.nl. Description, for newsletters, confirmations, or marketing messages. This way, you avoid user charges because groups are free, unlike users, which cost money monthly. Step 2. Lock down the group settings under the group's access settings. Set the group type to restricted. Disable options like anyone in the organization can post. Only invited members should be allowed to send from this group. Prevent external members from joining. Don't allow replies or incoming messages from the outside. This ensures it's truly a no-reply address, not a monitored inbox. Step 3. Add members. Follow as shown on the screen to do this setting. This gives them permission to send emails on behalf of no reply at pmntechfix.nl. Step 4. Reject incoming emails automatically. To ensure this inbox doesn't get incoming replies, go to Apps, Google Workspace, Gmail, Routing. Set a custom routing rule to automatically reject messages sent to the no-reply group. This keeps the inbox clean and makes it clear that replies are not accepted. Since the purpose of a no-reply email is to prevent engagement with responses, you'll want to set rules that automatically discard replies or send an automated response. Finally, click on Reject Message. By doing this, any attempts to send messages to the no-reply email address will be rejected and not delivered, upholding the function of the no-reply email. After reviewing all the settings, it's crucial to click Save to ensure all the changes are applied. And there you have it. Your no-reply email account is now set up and ready to be used. Now let's check whether it works or not. Creating new email and sending it to no-reply at pmntechfix.nl. So, it works. This is the message we had set. So, you are all set now. And there you have it. Your no-reply email account is now set up and ready to be used, helping your organization maintain streamlined and efficient communication. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides like this one.